Should you get a credit card? Hi. Are you trying to get drastic with the plastic? I talk a lot of shit about credit, but honestly, here's why credit cards are dope. They are handy to whip out in legit life emergencies. As long as your definition of emergency isn't this or this or this, you can earn redonkulous perks like free gift cards, hotels, flights. How you think I'm traveling the world right now? Free 99. And starting debt credit life young is like Mario star power for your credit score. But should you get a credit card? If you're like, there's this one big thing I want really badly, but I don't have the money right now. No. I'm going to Mexico, to the mall, to the club, and I don't have the money for it right now, so no. I just don't have money right now. No. But if you're like, I will always pay off what I owe ASAP Rocky because credit cards are not free money. Yeah. I already have the cash to pay for what I want because I have a job, a savings, a sugar daddy. Yes. I'm trying to start my credit life early, get these perks, and get this work. Yeah. Do not get a credit card just so you can buy what you already cannot afford. You don't need a credit card, you need priorities. Do get a credit card if you're ready to take care of your money like a pet, like a cute, helpful pet llama. Are those legal? Credit crump. Oh, mother effer. Like a pet. I'm gonna say it like that. Like a pet.
Like a good boy.
Like a good boy. I will crump standing up, but I'm not wearing pants. Pet. Yeah. Yeah. Go with my head. With my head.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.